Wagyu beef. Eat? Yeah, I know. Yep. Yeah, that's fine.
This is the drink menu.
Yeah, ready for real Wagyu beef? Huh? This was what we've been waiting for?
Yes, yeah.
We are here to eat A5 Wagyu beef. Soup or what? Chicken. So this one is this one Japanese A5 as well. This one is Japanese A5, and this one right here, she say domestic. So that's A5 right there.
This domestic?
A5 Japanese, domestic in the middle.
They all look good though.
Yeah.
Now the side. Really?
I guess you know. Sprite for you guys?
Yeah, me. So I have a question. Did you put butter on here before you grill or no? Or just like that?
If you would want to.
It cooks quick though. Right?
Yeah. That's A5 right there.
No room.
Just wait.
Maybe let's try the A5.
Good, very
Good. Dip it with the sauce. Maybe it tastes even better. Good. What?
Yes, I don't know. I never eat that.
Like what? How do you eat it? So basically, you just put your sauce.
Mix them with the egg.
Yeah. You can put it on top of the sauce and
I'll put it in the sauce.
yeah, just pour in the sauce and mix it. And then you dip your beef in there.
Watch the meat. different.
Yeah.
It's good though.
Now I gotta try it. Wagyu beef. So good. Fatty, very
Good?
fatty, yeah. Huh?
She don't know what she wants.
That's sushi?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's interesting.
That's sushi.
Oh, that's sushi?
Yeah, what's sushi?
Kind of sushi.
That's so weird for sushi, right?
Yeah.
That's so interesting.
Yeah.
Good. Let me try it. Good. The A5 is really fatty and tender. Yeah.
Try sushi. How's sushi? How's it?
Very good.
Good?
Really good. This salmon? Yeah. Really good.
Want me to stop?
Bibimbap. Oh. Hey, where's the fry?
Here.
Order more?
I don't know about this one. I don't think you can order any more of this one.
What is
Yeah. Scallop
so funny?
Excuse me.
He said, what is that? It's for us?
and bone marrow. That's so interesting. Yeah, video me. So you put the bone marrow on the bread.
And you eat it like that?
Yeah. Wow.
Good?
Wow, really good. Wow. What is this one?
Benny, what do you order?
What is it?
Oh, Wagyu. This is mine.
Salmon.
Yep.
Who want to try this? That's scallop too, right?
This?
They cut it, or is that just noodle?
Noodle.
Or in the on the top is scallop.
Yeah.
Try the scallop. Good.
Good.
What is that? Chip and what?
Wagyu tartare.
Ooh, interesting. Wagyu tartare. Well, good or not? Good.
Yeah.
Look at Nathan to be coming out of it. Right, Nathan?
Huh?
Look at you, they cut out of it.
Interesting. What's the other one? Regularly?
Saw a lot of beef.
The stick like sushi with Wagyu beef on it.
Uh-huh.
And then they have a little wasabi on top.
How it tastes?
Good fun.
Yeah. Hey, happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to Lenny.
Happy birthday to you. Oh my goodness, seems really quick. Here. Nathan gives us good stuff to favorite.
I'll take strawberry.
Yeah.